Hello everyone, welcome to MyFit Nails YouTube channel. We are committed to all professional nail technicians and all non-professional that simply have a passion for nails. Thank you so much for joining us. Whether you are a first-time buyer or you have interest on press-on nails and want to learn how to size them, then stay tuned. Before we start, make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell to receive alerts to all of our new videos. Now, let's move on and handle business. Your MyFit Nails sizing kit should include instructions, your sizing tips, and a form to write down each sizing number for all 10 fingers. It should look similar to this form. Every nail tip is numbered from size 00 to 9, 00 being your biggest number and 9 your smallest. On the very top of this form, write down the desired length, shape, and full name. Each finger on each hand should be sized individually. On this bottom portion, you should fill in the blank as you go. This image was highlighted to be more specific. We just want to ensure that this set is properly designed for you. Tools used in this video: a nail clipper, nail file, and a cuticle pusher. If you do not own a cuticle pusher, your nail clipper could possibly have one inserted in the middle section. If not, you can improvise and use the nail tips to push back the cuticle as well. Every step should be done on both hands. I'll give you a few minutes to get them done. You're able to pause the video as you go, then click play when ready for other steps. No rush. All done with prepping, now let's try finding the perfect fit for each fingernail. When sizing your tip, again, do each finger individually because in some cases, nails might be the same finger on different hands and still be a different number. Also, when fitting, there should be absolutely no pushing down or feeling that the nail tip is pressured in your natural nail. This will avoid air bubbles when applying your actual press-on nails. The nail tip should fully cover your nail bed, side to side, smoothly. Once you find the perfect nail tip, make sure to write it down as you go. If by any chance you do not end up finding the perfect fit, in this case it is recommended to use a size bigger since you are able to file the artificial nail for better fitting. After all, this will be your personalized set. They should all feel comfortable to you. If you haven't yet, please fill in the blanks, full name, size, and length. I use this as an example. MED for medium and ST for stilettos. Now take a picture where you can clearly see the entire kit, numbers, and name. Afterwards, you have to send it to us through email, myfit.nails@gmail.com. I'll leave this on here for a couple minutes so that you can write down this information if needed to. By the way, you're able to see our daily work on Instagram at myfit_nails. On the email, attach the sizing kit and inspirational photos to help better design your press-on nails. The subject should be specific. Sizing kit complete, ready to order. You should also type in your full name, full address, desired length, shape, and type in about your inspirational nails. This should be considered the consultation. Make sure to include desired colors, gems, and nail art. Please be specific. Here's an example of an email. On this example, the client was really specific. I would like my set to be medium length, stiletto, but not too pointy. I love the colors of the picture, but would like for my pinkies to be white. And add a bit of gems to my index fingers and a gloss finish. Please and thank you. She was really specific and I love it. Here is an entire email for your reference. After we receive the email, we will contact you if you have any questions before we begin to work on your set. Once we begin to work on your order and it is complete, we will send you photos of the finished product with the invoice for you to pay. Once we receive the payment in full, we will ship your items. In between receiving, confirming, working, and shipping your set, it could take 7 to 14 days. Here's a video and photos of the press-on nails email that was used as an example. Your MyFit press-on nails set should include a nail file, buffer, cuticle pusher, nail glue, some nail glue tabs, and the storage box to store your nails after using them. And of course, your full set, which are reusable if cared for them properly. You will also receive instructions on how to care for them. Are you interested on ordering a MyFit Nails sizing kit? If so, keep watching for more details. We hope this video was helpful. Please be so kind to comment below. If you have any questions or concern, comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you are a professional nail technician or you just simply enjoy doing nails, this is the right channel for you. Subscribe and click on the bell notification to receive alerts on all of our new videos. Thank you so much for watching.